What up? Back at you with another YouTube video. Hagen, washing the trucks. Got everything ready. We got our rig for a lifetime here. Good old 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 V8 mag. This thing's a beaut. No bed. It doesn't do burnouts just yet. Getting there at some point. This thing is a beauty. It's kind of falling apart a little. That's fine. Headlights taped up. Factory. And it's the ultimate rig. This thing will end up at the sand dunes at some point and feel. But this thing has taillights on it. Factory taillights and everything. And it's a unit. It is a unit. What do you think about the unit, Hagen? The unit.
Beer getter.
Beer getter. Hagen's truck getting all washed up. We got Connor's truck right there. And then we got Ian's truck right there. A little cat eye action. Burn that fucker to the ground. Cat eyes. I think he's on some 2414s, it looks like. I don't know though. Can't tell. Can't tell. Can't tell at all. But great trucks over here. There's another rig. We got shimmy on around. There's Casey's. Good old 7 Tree and everything. And then we got Marco's. Good old the Colorado on some KMCs right here. That thing was pimp. Oh yeah. Get it, Connor? Yeah. 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 So yeah. That's the lineup of all the trucks and everything. Hagen's truck looks mint. And then we got Gage. Little brother. Good old. Why does he leave the windows down? 3500. This thing is the best gasser in the planet right here. Best gasser on the planet. We got Hagen doing his truck right now. Tucker's looking mint. Mint, bud.
What up, boy?
Colorado. Womp womp. Yay.
Oh, shit, sorry,
Fuck, man. Almost got me. Getting the truck all nice and clean. Heck yeah. Yeah. What up, Marco?
What's up, man?
What up, Connor?
What's up, beautiful?
Yeah. We got Casey here too. Say what?
Got the wash thing over there and start
Yeah.
washing her down. Yeah, they went first, second, and third gear.
Hagen's washing the truck. Oh, misfire.
I was going down, right? And I needed. Because I didn't.
Oh yeah, get in there. Oh. Yeah. Hagen, where's all this rubber coming from?
I don't know. The street.
The street, he says. Ryobi. We're getting ready for the truck meet tonight and everything, so that'll be fun. Ooh. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Spinning. like a turntable. Oh yeah. Ah! You sprayed me. I'm gonna get all wet from looking at this thing.
What?
I'm gonna get all wet looking at this thing.
I am.
Heck yeah. Good old trucks. Getting ready. Getting ready to do everything today, which is go to truck meet, shoot some more videos of these trucks and the other ones over there too. And yeah, we'll be sick, we'll be sick, we'll be sick. What the fuck? Ranger! Ranger!
Hey, it'll and you won't move.
Wrap around me.
Yeah, you just won't move. You'll just be standing there.
Hey, me and you, if we walked out, both cars would just go like U's around us.
Yeah.
That's how it goes.
So it's like, it really is so hard.
Mustang real quick.
Just have me walk out. I'm ready! Oh God, I have a bruise.
Oh, I need the angles.
No, I'll hop on your shoulders for you. Hey, he's been on mine. You're probably the same weight.
Hi, Casey.
Third gear went bye-bye in that one.
Me on the Mustang.
It's a Mustang. Mustangs are the majority of
Hagen, how do we think of that race?
That shit was ass.
It was slow.
I want to say hi, Buck.
Peyton, that was the worst fucking race. Have you seen it?
I was waiting to hear a boom.
Yeah, me too. Why was that even a thought?
Is that Trev?
Roll it, roll it, roll it. Spin them, spin them, spin them, spin them, spin them. Spin them, bitches. Spin them. Spin them. Spin them.
You gotta warm your tires up.
Is he gonna lay one? Yeah, he is. Good boy. Hi, I'm Connor, and this is my 1993 Dodge W250.
She might not look pretty on the outside, but it's really what's inside that matters. On the outside, obviously, we've got 5% tint all the way around and then 20 on the windshield. And then I've got Pro Comp Series 3 wheels with Toyo AT3s on it right now. Obviously, I'm rocking some 2-inch spacers, and tires are 33s. And then another thing you can see from the outside, I've got a Fast 165 on it, and got a little homemade jerry rig Coors cans over it because they look pretty cool. Come around the back. See, bed's a little messed up, but it's gonna be painted here soon. We got it's got the stock 3-inch exhaust on it, and I've got a 3-inch to 8-inch chrome tip on it right now. It's just set up for an axle dump. Heck yeah. We can move on to the interior here. Obviously, the interior is all original. It's in pretty nice condition. It took me a while to find this truck, and it looks pretty good in here. It just takes you back. It's an old grandpa rig, so it looks like an old grandpa rig. Heck yeah. And then engine-wise, it's got a full pusher intake system, so 3-inch charge pipes. It's got 50 overs from industrial injection, and then it's got the upgraded fuel pin and the 3200 RPM governor spring for the VE pump. Don't dog on me for still having a VE pump. I like it when my truck actually starts. Future plans right now, I've got a power driven diesel Aggressor HX35 turbo coming in. That's a 64 millimeter that's going to be put on it, and then it's getting a full turbo back 4-inch MBRP exhaust on it. And then here in the next probably 2 or 3 months, it's going to be painted. Obviously, I'm going to try and keep it original with the forest green on tan two-tone because I love that color. And then basically when it gets painted, it's the full exterior is getting redone. New grill, new lights. This black part of the bumper right here is going to be paint matched to the same green. Same here as the black grill piece. That's going to be paint matched, and the Dodge lettering is going to be paint matched too. LED headlights, clear tail lights. The tail lights will also be paint matched. There's not much you can paint match on these trucks unless you want to get rid of the chrome. And I really like the chrome, so we're going to paint match as much as we can. And probably here in the next year or so, it's going to have a Randy's transmission in it because this truck's got the 47 RH non-lockup. If you know anything about Dodge transmissions, they're absolutely shit. And the 47 RH is the cream of the crop of shitty Dodge transmissions. I have had this transmission go out on me 3 times now, and it's been fully rebuilt to stage 1 3 times. And yeah, they're shit. So it's definitely getting that. Once it gets the Randy's in it, I'm thinking about going with the NV 4500. And then after that, I know I was talking about liking my truck start, but if I got a transmission to handle the power, I'm going to need power. So she's going to be P pump swap here soon, probably 150 over injectors in it. And full rundown on the engine. Bearings, pistons, new rings, all that fun stuff. So, yep, that's about it. That sums up this hunk of junk looking truck. And yeah.
Alrighty. Well, that is Connor's truck. This concludes our video. I'm gonna do a couple edits,